I'm starting the recording a bit late, but market just opened. Um, so this is day three. Just gonna get on here and do the same thing like I've been doing, and we did end up I think what we lost like $40 from yesterday. See, I mean it was I think I see I was looking and I did trade past my rules yesterday, so like it was like it just hit 850, but I was trying to take that final trade when I was already up. I was at like $50,400. So maybe I won't do that today, but I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. But I can hop on here at like 8:30. I might start even hopping on at like 8:32 or 8:33, just because that is just gonna be when I'm trading. Just gotta let price play out for a bit. The thing is, I do still have bigger bracket sizes. I'm still on six, even though I did add 8 and 10. Just because I'm a bit scared to enter a little bit higher. Just because when I trade, I do kind of like it, like catching the move. I feel like there's a lot of times where it does make like that like small jump and easily hit six. Where if it was like eight, it might because there was one trade that I took yesterday where it was like right at my take profit and then it went fully down or fully it reversed and then it might stop loss. So I feel like with a bigger take profit, there's a bigger chance of that happening. But at the same time, there's a bigger chance of the pullback also hitting my take stop loss. So I guess there's like pros and cons for both. All right, we just hit 8:33. Let me take a look. I guess we'll see where we're going. I think if we're like I said, we'll just wait for the trend to kind of start forming. If this low is kind of down here first, then I'll wait for us to go up and then down again. But if we're up, then maybe I'll wait for us to go down and then up. Yeah, yeah. So we're already going lower. So I would wanna get up here again and then I'll take some shorts. All right, we're making some moves up, which is pretty good. Oh, big candle. Oh, working down a lot. All right, now we're kind of in the optimal range that I want to be in. Just 'cause it is pretty volatile. I do want to look out for like it being directional. I kind of see. I think I could have got some buy orders there. I was looking. I should keep my cursor around here just in case I want to make those like really quick decisions. Um, Yeah, now it looks like we can easily be directional. So even if we start making moves down, I might want to catch longs now. It's hard to say. Cause thing is, it might be hard for me to like. I might not have enough experience with this type of trading for me to like have that kind of bias. So maybe I should be trying to catch shorts, but at the same time, I see this wick rejection. I think I'll enter long. Oh, my volume's super loud. Yeah, I think we got the little retracement. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that played out. Oh, nice. See, that is good that I picked these six. Well, I mean, I see the ATR. These candles are like, yeah, 20 and 14. I think six is the right choice. I try to look at what the ATR is for like these past individual candles, and like going do I enter right here again? Ooh, I could have. It just moved up a lot. I gotta stop thinking. I gotta stop asking that. Like when I think that, I should probably just enter. But what I was gonna say, one thing I don't think I've explained this in the past two videos, but my bracket sizes depends on. I'll look at these ATR candles, kind of the previous ones, and I'll go around half, but the below half. So I mean, I guess if this one's like 21 or 22, it'd be good to be 8 because that would equal like 16, which is already below 20 and stuff like that, and that's kind of half. But like let's see like 15, like 6 is good because that'll be like below half. Cuz like 15 what that'll be like 7.5 is the official half. Cuz 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15, so that would be like the whole candle. So like 6 would be good just because that's going to be half of that. Well, excuse me. But yeah, so on bigger candles, I think eight could have worked like on the sturdy one. But it's hard to tell because some of these they go from bigger ones to smaller ones. Oh man, it's kind of cold here. Thinking about longin, but I don't know. It's not moving too fast. I'll just wait maybe again if it kind of gets down again here, and then we can enter. And I was thinking, I'm looking. I do think my win rate's pretty successful. At least, I mean, I did yesterday take some losing trades, but I would say for when I get the eval, um, that like if this is pretty good and I have a lot of winning days, just because this is a higher win rate trade, just because I'm taking one RR, so the win rate's just gonna be higher. I think it would be good to I'll enter right here. Hopefully we can we might, yeah, I think we might get stopped out. Oh, that's the thing with these fees and everything. It's like when I lose, those fees are gonna, even if I do 1-to-1, it's like it's a way bigger loss than it is when even these bracket sizes should be the same. But I was gonna say like if I get this strategy down and I'm gonna look at like what days that I win and lose, then because I'm doing one mini or like trying to risk like at least like around 100. I think it's like 120 or something around trade. But maybe I follow consolidation. Let's just try it just because, like I said, I just got to try some trades. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's a huge jump. I don't know if that was slippage, but 335 now, and I was closer to 400 range. Um, but like I was saying, like I look at how many days that I win consistently and how profitable I am, like the bigger win rate. And I think my win rate's pretty high. I can go on the eval and probably risk more instead of 100. But first day was pretty good just because I was winning a lot. I was break even basically yesterday, but like down a bit. And then well today we're already up from yesterday, but only what, like $60. It's not really a big difference. Maybe longing here. We'll try it out. Mm, we're hesitating. All right, nice. Yeah, I mean, I longed there just because. Well, actually, I haven't even really been talking about all the trades that I took. But I mean, I think it's if you got to watch the first two videos, which not many people did, but like that's what I kind of expected. But if you watch this, maybe you go back for the other two that I made. I did used to say I would follow the trend, right? Like like or I think I was already saying this earlier, but like going down and whatnot. But I think it's something like this. I think I don't have to just like if I do kind of feel like we're gonna be going like up if we're in this consolidation range, maybe I can take trades like these because this is I think why this was different than this is because we broke out kind of like we were above this, I suppose. So like it didn't feel like maybe we would get back down here, which we really didn't. So that was good that I wanted to get longs. Whereas like here, I felt like it was more we didn't break out like down here. Like we were still like in this range and like this low was higher. So this was still a pretty good long opportunity instead of me wanting to just like look pretty short term and look at this and try to catch shorts. Like I was subconsciously kind of looking back here and saw that we're kind of still this is low to high right here. So that was at least my thought process. I could long here, but we are consolidating a bit, so it's a bit risky. I think I'll just wait. Maybe I am kind of liking the directional trades a bit. Like I think I'm a little bit better at spotting when it might be directional. Like shorting here could be. I feel like that's guessing if I do, even though I think it could be directional, but it's hard to say. I think I think maybe I'll go short here just cause. All right, nice, nice. All right, I mean pretty good profit right now. Why I did go short here is just because yeah, consolidation broke out, just not really broke out. I don't know, it's hard to say. Like here's the thing. This is well maybe I can't really talk, but yeah, I have been trading for a year, so I do have the experience even though I haven't traded like this, but you build just this like kind of a subconscious to how the candles move. Like I will say like if you're starting to trade, it's probably hard to just like be able to do this. You'd be guessing a little bit more, or like maybe it's harder to like know when it's consolidating or turning directional. Um, I think I'll either enter short. I might get stopped out, or oh wow, that was kind of lucky. I was really playing right there. I kind of just want to close so I can. But I'm gonna stick to the rules. There's no point in closing on a demo, especially. All right, there you go. Uh, kind of just entered. Maybe that wasn't the best, but I think we were directional. That's why. But like I was saying here, I guess I just kind of saw. I mean, obviously we could have played down here and then consolidated back up like we were. But if you look at these consolidations, it's kind of wicking out, and we're really staying here shorter candles. And this one came out as like a bigger bearish candle down. I was thinking about entering here, but while I was like, okay, that might be guessing because we're still like in this range, we could easily go bullish again just because we've been doing that, been doing that in this range. But this candle right here came down bearish, and we're kind of even pushing past lower. And then when this candle opened, it was also going bearish. I was just like, okay, you kind of have like the three candles that are going down. I mean, you can kind of see this pattern when it's going up and all of that. So that was kind of like the main thing. With that, we are up 400. We do got 5 minutes left to trade. The thing is, so since it's a demo, I would probably well, like if this was real life or like this was a actual XFA or real money, I made my money for the day. I'd probably hop off, but it's all about building experience. So I'm willing to take some more trades at least till 850, just cause it doesn't really matter if I do lose money or whatnot. They go long. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that wasn't too great. I should have waited for my rules. I don't even know why long. That was actually pretty dumb because I think I was just explaining how there's two candles. I should have waited for this to turn out more bullish and then be able to do that. And this is clearly just yeah. Okay, yeah, that was a dumb one. If I'm just looking, it's going down too. So I'm like following the pullback up, which wasn't good because this ended up going bearish anyway. So this wouldn't have been maybe a bad short entry, just because this wicked out and ended up bearish, and we're probably gonna be in this consolidation range. But I'll probably wait for some candles up and then maybe catch some shorts when it gets a little bit higher. It did get up kind of there, but like I did see the wicks were up here, so I was waiting a little bit. I was a little bit more patient. Looks like we're going down now. Shorting here might not be bad, but I mean, I kind of just did that, so I'm a little bit scared. Like I said, I kind of wanted to just stick to maybe yeah. Okay, so that's good. It's kind of going up now, so that was good that we waited. It's hard to tell if I should short here, cause it is different from when I did this. But like now I can kind of see that now that we're like a little bit lower. If you zoom out a little bit, even though you should be looking kind of short term, it is like this might not do as much. But I guess we're kind of just in a bigger like this consolidation directional range. Like obviously you've made big moves up and down and up and down, but we're playing over here in this. Um, so I don't know if I would. Yeah, that's because yeah we're just doing some easy consolidations. If you're trading the strategy, you might yeah you would everyone would trade a bit different. Like this might be perfect conditions for you guys. It's just a little like I don't know. It could turn directional pretty easily, so that's why I just don't want to enter. Maybe unless it was kind of up here, then and then maybe catch another short. But yeah, something like this. Maybe if you kind of could play within this consolidation, you could have longed here, shorted there, long there, short, long, short. This is a pretty. You could get a high win rate if you're able to just get those down. We only got like a minute left, so maybe if I want to get one more trade in, yeah, that might have been my short entry. I think my problem is I'm looking for it to go higher, even though it's following this. Oh man, I've been sneezing all day. I was gonna say I think I was waiting for it to get higher here, but we can just see like the highs they're forming lower and lower, so it's not gonna get as high as it was before, which is probably good because I don't want it to. I probably wouldn't want it to because then that could show us directional. At least it's still within the range boundaries. Yeah, but these sizes, these have like, they're a little bit smaller, so I would probably want to even trade with like the four bracket size. Oh, maybe this is a good short entry. It's kind of getting down now, so I don't know. Yeah, I think it's a bit too late. Maybe on another candle. I mean, it's just about to hit 850, but maybe I can catch this. Even though I said that wasn't really my rules. So if I do lose this, I won't be trading a. Okay, yeah. Once it hits 850, let's not do that anymore. All right, 84. Okay, we got 50 forward 3-3. We were what? I think the highest we were up was 700, but we were at like 270, so we made a nice 200. Oh, it looks like it's already playing out in my favor. I could enter again, but I mean, there's no point. Because I think yeah, I'll probably be able to catch it, but does it really matter? No, I think should just stick to it. So, all right, yeah, that was a good day of trading. I think I was right about like, if this was a real account, I think once I made that, I was up already, I would normally just hop off just because, I made my profits for the day. Um, and I don't want to be greedy, but like I said, it's the demo, so I was just like, all right, I'll try some trades here, and which was good because I did learn. I think I was a little ambitious on this one, because this was obviously just a pullback. Like I was maybe kind of feeding for it to be directional and go back up, but I didn't even let two candles form, and they're not two bullish candles or anything. Here, I think this wasn't bad, but I think my bracket size, I just entered at the wrong time and got pulled back, but it looks like it was already going down directional, but it was also past 850, so maybe that's a lesson to not do that because that's what happened yesterday. But all these other trades were pretty good. I think that would be a pretty good day. But all right, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll be back tomorrow to be trading. But bye guys.